Hi everyone, I'm recording this to send a message of support and solidarity to anyone and everyone who's been affected by the situation that's unfolding in Ukraine and is also affecting a number of regions around that area. We're really conscious of how this can be affecting people and how this is another really unsettling event that's unfolding, and we're hearing and seeing on the news, and it can be quite overwhelming. So if you are feeling the strain of this latest development, then please do make use of our wellbeing services. They're here for you. That is what our services are here to provide. So please do take us up on making contact and talking your concerns through, because it really does help and it does make a difference to how you're experiencing what we're all looking at with quite a lot of concern. As an organisation, we will be looking to fundraise and to take and receive donations of kit and equipment that are so desperately needed in various parts of the world, and we really do send our thoughts to anyone who's affected, and will continue to keep an eye on the situation. But thank you ever so much, and please look after yourself.